Hi guys, in today's video you will learn how to view your email password in Outlook using the updated 2026 method. Now you need to remember that Outlook no longer shows the passwords directly inside the application, but there are a couple of simple workarounds that still let you access it safely. So let's walk through it step by step. First of all, you need to open Outlook in your web browser, or you can also launch your Outlook application or your computer. Over here, simply click on the file option on the top left hand corner of the screen. Here in the file, simply click on the option of settings. Now, once you are inside settings, you are going to see the email account that is connected to your Outlook account. So here, as you can see, this is the email which is connected to my Outlook account. So you need to click on the email address that you want to check, and above it you are going to see a repair button. So when you see the repair button over here, you need to simply click on that, and a new dialog box will be opened in front of you that is going to show you your account related details. Under incoming mail, you will also see the username, and just below that you may see a password box with a visibility toggle. If your Outlook version supports it, clicking the eye icon lets you view your email passwords directly. Now, if the window repair doesn't show the password, you can use our second method. In it, you just have to open your browser and go to your password manager. Now, if you use Chrome or Edge, you can open the menu at the top right hand corner of the screen. But currently, I'm using Opera. So you need to go to the settings of whichever web browser you are using. Here, simply go to the privacy and security. Over here, look for the option of passwords. You can also use the search bar here on the top, and you can look for the option of password manager. Now here in the password manager, you can search for Outlook, or you can also just simply look for the option of your email which you have added in your Outlook account. So if you have saved any kind of passwords, it will be visible over here. You can click on outlook.com. Then you just have to provide certain details relating to your device's password and the PIN. After confirming it, your Outlook email password will be visible here. You can also copy it and edit it if needed. The method is going to work even if Outlook doesn't show the password inside the application, because your browser usually saves it when you signed in earlier. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Outlook tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.